And welcome into JMeter Tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to generate HTML report in JMeter. JMeter provides the capabilities to generate detailed HTML reports that help analyze test results effectively. These reports include metrics like response time, throughput, error rates, and more, presented in a visually appealing format. So let's begin. Open JMeter. When first time you open the JMeter, you can view the test plan. Now, add the thread group. Right click on test plan, add thread, and then click on thread group. Add HTTP request. Right click on thread group sampler, and then click on HTTP request. After adding the HTTP request, we need to add the listeners or view the results. So right click on thread group listener and then click on view result tree. Now add the HTTP request. This is the website in which we want to perform the load testing. Here protocol is HTTPS and this is the URL. Copy this URL and then paste here in server name or IP. Now add the protocol here HTTPS. As you can view here, protocol is HTTPS. If HTTP protocol, then you do not need to enter the protocol here. As you can view here HTTPS, so we need to enter HTTPS protocol in the protocol section. Now run the test. Click on this green button. It will ask for you should save the test plan before running it. Click on yes. For saving the test plan, it will ask for saving the HTTP request, but we need to save the test plan. So we need to click on check. Here you can view HTTP request has been successfully sent and we get the response message okay and the response code 200. Let's add an other HTTP request. This is home HTTP request and add an other HTTP request. I click on thread group sampler and then click on HTTP request. Suppose this is our second request and we want to perform the testing of contact page. Copy this path. We just need to enter the path, server name and the protocol. Let's copy the complete URL and enter here in server name or IP section and remove the path from server name. We put the path here in the path section. Now enter the protocol which is HTTPS and this is contact page. So we enter here HTTP request is contact. Let's add an other HTTP request. Right click on thread group sampler and then click on HTTP request. Protocol is HTTPS and then we want to perform the testing of about section. So click on about and copy the server name and paste here in server name or IP section. Here just enter the URL and then remove backslash because we have already defined protocol here. Now copy this about path and paste here. Now in this scenario, we have three HTTP requests. One is home and the second is about and third is contact. We can change the HTTP request name, enter about. Now this is home HTTP request, contact and the about. Let's run this script and see what happened. Clear all the results before running the test, click on green, this button. It will ask for saving the results. If you click on cancel, just it will running. First, here you can view home. HTTP request has been successfully sent. Now, here we are getting some error because due to some issue in this. Now, here you can view contact request has been successfully sent, but we are getting some error. Let's check here because here we need to remove the backslash. Now, the request will be sent successfully to the server. Clear the results and then save this thread group. We can save the test plan, click on save, and this is our HTML. This is file name, and then click on save. Let's run the test and then click on view result tree. Home request has been successfully sent. We are getting response code 200 and the response message is equal to OK. Now, it will send the second request in the about section. This request again we are getting no such host is known in about. Here enter life charger EU. This is the complete server name. First letter is a small, so we will enter here a small first letter. Now, this is HTTPS. We are enter the protocol here. This is server name and the path. Let's again run this test and view the results in view result tree. We can add more lister here like view result table and the graphs. We can view the results in different formats in JMeter. Here you can view home request successfully sent and the contact request also successfully sent, and we are getting response code 200 in about HTTP request. Now our script has been ready. Now we can generate the HTML report by running this test command line. In previous tutorials, I have already described. If you did not still watch this video, you can check first, watch this command line, how you can run the JMeter from command line, then watch this video. Let's generate the HTML report in JMeter. Now we can close because we have already saved this test plan, which is html.jmx. Close this and open. This is our bin folder. First, we need to open the CMD, go to this path and enter CMD. Now, enter JMeter -n means run this script in command line and then enter -t and then enter the JMX file name. We need to enter the complete path in which this html.jmx file is present. Copy this complete path and then open command prompt and paste here. Now enter the file name which is html.jmx and then -l, and now enter the path in which the result will be saved. Suppose we want to save the result, create a new folder. Here we can create new folder and enter results and then open. Suppose we want to save our results in this folder. This result will be saved in CSV format. We enter test1.csv and then minus E for generating the report in HTML format, and then enter the path where HTML report generate. Open this folder and we create an other folder here for saving the HTML report and enter the folder name HTML report. Now we need to enter this complete path in which the HTML report will be saved. Paste here. Let's run this. Here just enter JMeter minus n means run the test, and then enter the path where our script file is present, which is html.jmx, and then we enter minus l, and this is the complete path where this test results will be saved, and then enter the path in which location this report will be generated. Let's click on enter. First, it will run the test and then generate the report in HTML format. Here you can view starting standalone and waiting for response shutdown stop test now. First, it will run the test and then generate a report in HTML report. This report will be saved in this location, the Apache JMeter bin, and then we created a new HTML report folder. Let's check the report is generated. Here you can view the report has been successfully generated. You need to click on this index.html. Open this. In this report, we can view here all test case has been passed, so 100% pass. Here three threshold option are available. We can view the label. This is the request which we send to the server, and statistics sample and failure. Here is no failure, so 0 if any error in this script, or we are getting some error from the server side, so we can view the error here. And transactions received, sends, bytes, here all options are available. We are not getting any error, so here you can view no error, and top 5 error. If we are getting an error, so we can view the top 5 errors here. Here charts option are available, our time, response our time, and we can filter out this, and the response times also available. We can view here in a graphs. Now I will show you how we can generate the reports. Suppose we have already test, but we need to just generate the reports. As you can view, this is our result file after running the script. Now, we do not need to run the test. We can generate the report by using this test1 file. Open the CMD in this location, bin, open the CMD and enter JMeter minus G, and then enter the file name, which is test1. We need to enter the complete path. Copy this complete path and paste here, and then enter the file name, which is test1.csv minus O, and then enter the report file name. where the report will be generated. Suppose we want to generate the report here in this report folder. So we need to enter the complete path name. Enter this complete path with this report, which is report. Paste here and then click on enter. Now report will be generated in this folder, in this report folder. Now open this report folder. Here you can view the report has been successfully generated. In this scenario, we do not run the test. We just generated the report by using this test1.csv file. That is for today's tutorial on HTML reports. JMeter offers a comprehensive way to evaluate performance test outcomes. They provide clear insights into a behavior of your application under load and help in identifying potential bottlenecks. Using these reports ensure better analysis and decision making for performance optimizing. That is for today's tutorial on generating HTML report. If you like this content, please subscribe to SK World. Thanks for watching.